I wish the female will go further and further. Headless Technologies has generously provided us a Diva Sanitary Pad Vending machine. I am especially encouraged and happy that on the day of World's Pharmacist Day, Headless Technologies has generously provided us a Diva Sanitary Pad Vending machine that has been placed in the NSU Model Pharmacy. NSU Model Pharmacy is also very first time a pharmacy which is operating in a university to provide healthcare facilities to our staff, people and student. The thing that I would like to mention, our female students and staff and to some extent even the faculty members are shy to bring out several things that are actually very important, especially the menstrual cycle or the menstruation, which is the regular part of female person. However, they need to maintain hygiene during this period. However, because of the shyness, sometimes they do not come forward to express their need. So now with the help of these Headless Technologies and the Diva Sanitary Pad Vending machine, our students and all female staff and faculty members will be able to get the sanitary napkin when they need, without asking any person. So all they need actually a 10 taka note, so they can directly use the 10 taka note and they can get a sanitary pad without asking anyone. By doing this thing, they can maintain their health and hygiene, and they can also take their own protection. I wish the female will go further and further, and they will equally contribute to the overall development of the country as well as the world. Thank you so much once again.